Hello and welcome to this beginner's warm-up. So we're going to start just behind the pole, just like this, with your feet nice and wide, hands just on the pole, and we're going to work from the bottom of the body all the way up. So we're starting with the feet. So from there we're just going to take little rises just like that. So we do about 8 of those. So we've got 4, 3, 2 and 1, and then we're going to stay on a rise and just hold there. See if you can take the hands off the pole and just hold for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then hands back on the pole, heels down, and then we're just going to take a deep plie. So down and up and down and up. So we're going to repeat that 8 times, then we'll add a variation. So we're getting a little bit more into the legs now. So we've got hands just on the pole in front of your chest, and we're going to drop down and up. 1, 2, so knees are in line with the toes, your posture's nice and tall. And 4, 3, 2, 1. And then from there, we're just going to go back into the feet. So we're going to go on a rise, lower, heels down, back to center. So we're going to repeat that 8 times. So let's go for that. So we've got the rise, lower, heels down, up, rise, lower, heels down and up. So the warmer you get, the lower I want you to start taking your hips down. We've got 3 left, 2, and last one. And then we're going to reverse the whole thing. So we've got the plie, rise, lengthen, lower, plie, plie, rise, lengthen, lower. We've got 3 left. And last one. Okay, so give your legs a little bit of a shake. Definitely wakes them up, that exercise, mind burning. So hands are going to stay on the pole, and we're just going to go side, centre, side, centre. Going to repeat that 8 times. So find your focus, find your breath, and let's go together. Let's go. So try and really isolate this movement in your torso, so you're not taking your hips to the side, it's just coming from the upper body. And keep breathing. Let's do 4 more. 4, 3, 2, last one, back to center. And then from there, you're just gonna go for, literally just go from side to side, lifting, lift, lift. So that's just gonna wake up the glutes a little bit more. So I just show you that. I'm just feet are facing forward, toes facing forward. So we've just let them turned out. Now we want to be facing forward, and that's a really important moment, because if you do it like that, you're working on a different set of muscles. So we're going to 1 foot, lift, step, lift. And your knees are facing forward. You won't get it too high, but it will definitely start to wake your glutes up. So join in with me if you haven't already. And we've got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then just come to the side of your pole. Just want you to just bend in your knees just like this, and just let everything hang heavy in your body. So just getting into the Achilles and relaxing in the shoulders a little bit. And then start to swing your arms a little bit more. Make sure you don't hit the pole. You can move further away if you need to. And then from there, you're just going to stand facing the pole, bring your arms past, and we're just going to take 8 slow circles back. And as you do this, the reason why I'm doing it slow, I want you to really feel which muscles are working. As you do this, sometimes there's a tendency to just throw the arms away and you don't actually know what you're doing with them. But at beginner level, we really want to think about where we're warming up in the body. And so in this case, it's your shoulders, your upper back. And we've got last one. And then we're going to take that forward now. So 1, 2. Try not to let your shoulders come up to your ears. It's just the arms working. You should feel this burning by now. And then from there, your hands are going to come onto the pole. So double cup grip facing your body. So that just means your thumbs in line with your fingers. That's what a cup grip is. And then we're going to take the right foot on top above the left knee. We're going to sit your bum down just to get a little stretch in the glutes. Back up. Let's switch feet. Let's bring that back in, and then we're just going to stand a little bit off centre and just swing the outside leg back and forwards. Just relaxing the shoulders, relaxing the head. Now you're not trying to get your leg high or anything like that, you're just opening out those hips a bit more. 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the other side, and 1. And then from there, you're just going to put your hand in that same cup grip as we were talking about before, and then you're just going to move your shoulder forward and back. So it's really isolated in that upper body. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's turn that hand around now. So we're just going to turn the fingers down towards the floor, take the hand a little bit lower, and then we're going to turn to face the pole. So if you just watch one first, you're just going in and out. So if that feels a little bit sore on your wrist, because you've not done it before, you can just lower that hand down, come a little bit closer to the pole, just while we're building that strength up. And you want to make sure this finger is pointing down the pole, because it just provides a little bit of extra stability for your wrist, okay? So let's do 8 of those now together. So feet nice and wide, take your body in a straight line, bring it all with you. Let's go. Release that, just give your wrists a little bit of a swirl around, and let's go to the other side. So let's stand arm length away from the pole, cup grip facing forward, same height as that shoulder. I'm going to go forward, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn that hand away now. So fingertips go down towards the floor, comes down the pole. When we take our feet nice and wide, a little bit wider than shoulder distance apart, and then we're going to come forwards and back again. So try and keep that shoulder down, keep the elbow close towards the body, and let's go together. So we've got 1, 2, 2 left, and then give that wrist a little bit of a swirl, and then let's just stand there anywhere you like. We're just going to do a little exercise for the head. So we're just going to look left and right 8 times, and then back and forward 8 times. So relaxing your shoulders, take a little bend in the knees if you want to, and we're just going to look right and left, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and back. Forward, back, forward, back, forward, back, forward. Let's take a big circle round to the right and centre, and round to the left and centre, back up. Okay, so you should be more than ready to get going with your pole session now, so go and enjoy it.